utilizable. So let me go for geo chart. So I'll take the country, state, and city. I'll take all three, so I get a very precise information on my chart. I'll take sales. I'll say country, state, city is there, on basis of which I want this chart, this map to be drawn. So you have two options. Use either of the case. So I say let it be a sort of heat map type. I click it, go online, get evaluate your name of country and city. If they are available, it plot you on your screen. It's not going there, so let it be. So we'll see there. It should be like heat. If I go it there, some internet issue it might be there. So you can see that there are so many values it has presented on the map. So if you think I'm primarily looking for Indian perspective, so if you can search Indian perspective there, all data are there. If you are looking to showcase the values part, you can enable the values. And if you're still looking for, I want city name should be there, so you can use city name and labels. So city names are there. Along with city name, you want sales to be there. You can write the sales also. So depending on the space available, it'll display the value part. You can use this zoom area if needed. There you can have an option of seeing the all values visible. Because based on case of zoom and available space to showcase your data, value will be displayed. It doesn't mean the data is not there. If you see the values, all data is available, but due to space constraint, different city name is not visible to us. So if you say, let me go for showing the city name, I'm not going for sales currently. Apply, okay. So if you see, oh, it is right. So give me 1 minute. So I am using this pane. So let me take back my previous brochure. Okay, let me take it again. Let me unpin it and start it again. Indian perspective, yes. So this yellows you can see the darker yellows means higher sales amount, and lighter yellow, dot means the lower value. Or if you think its color is not going me better information, I can go for orange gold, or you can say green gold is there, red green you can go for. So wherever value is beyond limit, you will be getting a greenish, otherwise reddish area is there. In our cases, it is more or less reddish. In India, we are getting sales block between this and this. So that's a case where you can get the filtration done. That's a geo chart we can utilize based on requirement.